家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. There's a saying in English, when it rains, it pours, right? And there's also another saying, smile and the world smiles with you. That is exactly the title of 山狗大后生 band's song, which is called 本世界笑起來, which means smile and the world smiles with you. And through the sounds of their guitar and banjo, they hope to encourage the listener to face all those difficulties in life with a smile. So let's go ahead and take a listen to it.
落葉咧，係唔係夜了夢着？夜頭出來咧，佢看到你嘅笑容。
说下雨天啊，心情不太好，会忧郁起来，就连落下的雨啊，都好像是为你在哭泣。这时候就来听这首山狗大后生乐团的《分世界笑起来》，本世界笑起來，来让自己的眉头啊放松一点哦。而歌曲的乐器呢，用的是吉他以及非常特别的斑鸠琴哦，节奏非常的轻松又明朗。希望大家听完之后啊，可以展开花朵一样的笑容，让世界跟着你一起笑哦。我们来继续收聽這首《本世界笑起來》。
你快樂，世界會聽得你笑。你快樂，日頭會聽得你笑。你快樂，世界會聽得你笑。
Ooh, I love those sounds of the guitar and banjo working on this song. 本世界笑起來. Hope you liked it. My name is Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.